Here we are with the Cuda. We're at our final bodywork stage. We're gonna put another coat of primer all over the bodywork that we've done. As you can see, we've got some Bondo in a few places. We're gonna final prime. We're gonna block it one more time. Get there sooner than later.
So we're currently laying guide coat on the doors and we are blocking them with an acrylic block. So you can see this nice thin black line on this door. This assures us that we have a nice straight body line through the whole entire car once it goes back on reassembly.